Imagine standing before a place that it makes you question if you're still on Earth. From towering mountains to glowing caves, our planet is full of wonders beyond imagination. Today, we'll explore the top 10 natural wonders of the world, each with its own fascinating history and mind-blowing facts. And do not miss number 5 and definitely not number 8. Number 1. The Grand Canyon. The Grand Canyon is one of the most awe-inspiring landscapes on Earth, located in Arizona, USA. It began forming around 6 million years ago as the Colorado River slowly eroded the rock. However, some of the rocks exposed in the canyon date back 1.8 billion years, almost half the age of Earth itself. Number 2. The Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef system on Earth, stretching over 2,300 kilometers along the northeast coast of Australia. It is home to an incredible variety of marine life. This underwater paradise boasts more than 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands, making it one of the most biodiverse places on the planet. The reef began forming 20 million years ago, but the coral structures we see today are around 8,000 years old. Over time, tiny coral polyps built up layers of calcium carbonate, gradually forming the massive reef system. Number 3. Mount Everest. Towering above the clouds, Mount Everest is the tallest mountain on Earth. The mountain is a part of Himalayan range and is a symbol of human endurance, adventure, and nature's raw power. In Nepali, it's known as Sagarmatha, meaning goddess of the sky or forehead of the sky. Mount Everest was formed over 60 million years ago due to the collision of the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates. But did you know Everest grows taller every year? Due to the ongoing movement, Everest to rise by about 4 millimeters each year. Every year, climbers from around the world attempt to conquer this majestic peak, but only a few succeed. Number 4. The Aurora Borealis. What do you think makes the Aurora Borealis a natural wonder? The Aurora Borealis represents a natural phenomenon that bewilders spectators. It is a result of charged particles from the sun colliding with Earth's atmosphere. When these particles interact with gases like oxygen and nitrogen, they emit different colors of light. This process happens at altitudes between 80 to 600 kilometers above Earth, making it a truly cosmic wonder. Number 5. The Great Blue Hole. Imagine a perfect circular abyss in the middle of the ocean, plunging 125 meters deep, surrounded by vibrant coral reefs. This is the Great Blue Hole. Located off the coast of Belize, the Great Blue Hole is one of the largest underwater sinkholes on Earth. Its mesmerizing deep blue color and almost perfect circular shape make it a breathtaking sight, especially from above. This natural wonder is a diver's paradise, revealing an ancient world hidden beneath the surface. And do you want to know how it was formed? Over 150,000 years ago, during the last ice age, this site was a massive limestone cave. As the sea levels rose, the cave system collapsed, forming the massive underwater sinkhole we see today. Divers have found stalactites inside, proving it was once a dry cave. Number 6. Iguazu Falls. Imagine standing before a roaring curtain of water, where 275 waterfalls crash down in a semicircular shape, twice as wide as Niagara Falls and taller than Victoria Falls. Iguazu Falls is one of the most powerful and breathtaking waterfalls on Earth, situated on the border of Brazil and Argentina. Iguazu Falls was formed over 120 million years ago due to volcanic activity and shifting tectonic plates. The Parana Plateau split apart, creating a massive rift, and over time, the Iguazu River carved its way through, forming the dramatic waterfalls we see today. Legend has it that a deity planned to marry a beautiful woman named Naipi, who fled with her mortal lover Taroba in a canoe. In a rage, the deity sliced the river, creating the waterfalls and condemning the lovers to an eternal fall. Number 7. The Azores. The Azores, an archipelago of 9 volcanic islands in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, is one of Europe's best-kept secrets. The Azores were formed by volcanic activity millions of years ago due to the movement of 3 tectonic plates, the Eurasian, North American, and African plates. The islands still have active geothermal activity, with bubbling hot springs and steaming fumaroles reminding us of their fiery origins. You can see over 20 species of whales and dolphins, including sperm whales, which are year-round residents. Number 8. Halong Bay. Halong Bay is a surreal seascape of emerald waters and towering limestone karsts, creating one of the most breathtaking views on Earth. With nearly 2,000 islands, some covered in lush forests and others home to hidden caves, it feels like a world straight out of a fantasy novel. During the Cambrian period, Halong Bay was submerged under a shallow tropical sea. Over millions of years, thick layers of limestone built up on the ocean floor. Powerful tectonic movements caused the land to rise, pushing the limestone formations above sea level. But what truly makes Halong Bay magical is the legend which tells the story of dragons descending from the heavens to help Vietnamese people fight foreign invaders and protect their homeland. Halong means descending dragon in Vietnamese. Number 9. Galapagos Islands. The Galapagos Islands are a one-of-a-kind paradise where nature thrives in its purest form. The Galapagos Islands are an archipelago of volcanic islands in the eastern Pacific, located around the equator, 900 kilometers west of the mainland of South America. This volcanic archipelago is home to some of the most unique wildlife on Earth, including giant tortoises and marine iguanas, animals found nowhere else. The Galapagos Islands were formed 3 to 5 million years ago through intense volcanic activity caused by the movement of the Nazca tectonic plate over a hotspot deep beneath the Earth's crust. Since the Nazca plate is slowly moving eastward, older islands gradually erode and sink, while newer islands emerge in the west. Number 10. Salar de Uyuni. Salar de Uyuni is the largest salt flat on Earth, spanning over 10,000 square kilometers in Bolivia. After a rainfall, it transforms into a giant mirror, reflecting the sky so perfectly that it feels like walking on clouds. Millions of years ago, this area was part of a massive prehistoric lake called Lake Minchin. As the water evaporated over thousands of years, it left behind thick layers of salt, creating this stunning white expanse. Today, Salar de Uyuni contains about 10 billion tons of salt and also holds one of the world's largest lithium reserves, a key element for batteries. Want to know a fun fact? Beneath the salt, there's a hidden lake that scientists believe may hold clues about Mars-like environments. Nature's power, beauty, and mystery are beyond imagination. Which of these wonders would you love to visit first? Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video.